Welcome to a lesson with Dr. Powell. Let's take a look at what it means to prove something by contradiction. That means that we have a statement and we'd like it to be true. So what we do at first is we assume the opposite. We assume that this is true instead of this. So the opposite is true. So assuming that, and then what we do is we build implication arrows off of it. If eventually somewhere along the way we end up running into some kind of expression or idea or statement that is just absolutely not true, then what we've done, thinking even about sandwich swallowing a little bit or just a post set power set, anything that lies below zero, thinking of this as an inclusion arrow, has to be zero as well. Hence, we've just forced this to be zero or false, say, but if this is false, that forces this to be true. That is a proof by contradiction. Now, here's a little example of that. Suppose, for instance, that we have a system of equations. Let's make it very simple. Okay, so, and let's assume we want to show that this system has no solution. So what we do at first is we assume the opposite. Let's assume it has a solution. Now, if it has a solution, then the equation that we would get by adding these two or subtracting these two would also have a solution. Well, let's see how that would work. If we subtract these two, we end up getting -1 is equal to 0, which is a false statement, which means that the original assumption that this had a solution was false, which means the statement that we wanted was true, which was that there was no solution. Thanks for watching.